Today, let's go over how to wire this engine. There are letter markings on the connecting wires, letters on the corresponding cylinder head. Let's plug in the power cord first. Next, insert the dashboard. Insert the sensor cable. The other end is on his side of the machine. Temperature sensor. Connect the starter module. The ignition wires are not left or right specific. Can be inserted on both sides. Connect the power supply. Insert the radiator inlet pipe into the right side. Insert the outlet pipe into the left side. Open the water filling port of the water storage tank. Add purified water. Screw on the lid. Add 9.5 gasoline to the oil storage tank.